Mayor David here from Wairakei village, surveying the damage out here. Power is slowly coming back on, which is great. I've just been over to the school and they're all back fully up and operating, which is great. Hey, first of all, you know, our minds and heart and love goes out to the Hawke's Bay, Gisborne people, you know, the neighbours of ours, and, you know, we're thinking of you guys today, that's for sure. But just a reminder, please, the tree damage is just horrific. Coming out, Wairakei Drive is now open again, but the tree damage on the way is just horrific, and just be really careful when you're walking around our parks and reserves and that, because loose branches can fall at any time. Yeah, and just to add to our woes, of course, the Met Service has just advised us of a thunderstorm pending for the eastern part of the Taupo district. So there you go, it just doesn't stop coming. So be safe everyone, and lock up and just sing out if you need any help whatsoever. Cheers.